In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add customers and balances in QuickBooks Desktop. To get started, sign into your QuickBooks account and make sure you're on the main dashboard. Once you're in, the first thing you want to do is head over to the Customer section. This is where QuickBooks stores all of your customer records, including contact details, billing information, and account balances. After opening the Customer section, click on New Customer to create a brand new customer profile. This is the record you'll use to keep track of transactions and any outstanding balance connected to that customer. Next, enter the customer's name and contact information. Be as accurate as possible here, because these details help you stay organized and make it easier to identify the customer later. Depending on your workflow, this could include basic information like a company name, contact person, or other general contact details. After that, enter the customer's billing address and any additional details if needed. This part is especially useful if you plan to send invoices, statements, or other customer-related documents through QuickBooks. Even if some fields are optional, filling in the important ones now can save time later and help keep your records complete. Once the customer information is entered, scroll down until you find the opening balance section. This is where you'll record any existing balance the customer already owes before you begin tracking them in QuickBooks Desktop. Enter the customer's opening balance carefully, since this amount affects your records and reporting. Right after that, select the As of date for the opening balance. This date tells QuickBooks when that balance should begin counting in your books. It's important to choose the correct date so your financial records stay accurate and match your historical customer balances. Before saving, take a moment to review all of the information you entered, including the customer details and the opening balance. This quick review helps you catch mistakes before they become larger bookkeeping issues. Double-check the spelling, the billing information, the balance amount, and the date. When everything looks correct, click Save. QuickBooks will then add the customer to your records, along with the opening balance you entered. Finally, verify that the customer has been added successfully and that the opening balance appears correctly in their profile. This last check is a simple but important step because it confirms that your customer setup is complete and accurate from the start. Thanks for watching.